Now addition of decimals. We have already learned about addition of whole numbers. Now we will see how we add the decimal points or decimal numbers. Now to add decimals, the decimal points must be placed on the below the other. It means the only difference in the addition of simple numbers and decimal numbers is the place of the decimal point. So we will clear this addition of decimals with the help of some examples. For example, we have a number 56.39 plus 18.61. Now how we will add these decimal numbers? First, you need to line up the decimal points as we already discussed. Now first just write the decimal points up and down. After that, write the decimal numbers, write the numbers 56.39 and then write the other number 18.61. Now the numbers are arranged properly. Now add these numbers like we add the normal numbers or like we add the whole numbers. Okay, now 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 will be written over here and 1 will be carried because you need to regroup it. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. 0 will be written over here and 1 will be carried. Then 1 plus 6 plus 8, 5 will be written over here and 1 will be carried because it's 15. Then 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. So when you add these two numbers, the answer will be 75.00. Okay, now we have explained it over here as well. You already have learned about the place value of decimal numbers. Before point, we have ones, tens, hundred, thousands and so on. And after point, we have hundreds, tens, thousands, 10,000s and so on. Okay, now this 9 is at hundredths position. So first we will add this. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We have learned that we need to regroup 10. So 0 will be written over here and 1 will be carried to the 10th place. Now in 10th place, we have now three numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 6. So it will be 10. Again 0 will be written over here and 1 will be carried to the ones place. Now at ones place, we have 1, 6 and 8. So 6 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 15. So 5 will be written over here. We have 0.32 plus 12.965 plus 1.1. Now what is the difference over here? Yes, all the numbers are different. Like one number is 1 digit before decimal point, other is 2 digit, then 1 digit, and see how we will add these numbers. Okay, first you need to line up the decimal points. Write all the decimal points one below the other. Okay, now write the numbers 0.32, 12.965, 1.1. So all the numbers are different. So yes, you can add more zeros to make it easy. So you can add 0 over here and you can add 2 zeros over here so that all these numbers should be 3 digit after decimal point. Okay, now add the numbers. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to 8. 3 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 3 will be written over here and 1 will be carried. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 1 plus nothing is 1. So the answer will be 14.385. Now we have another example, and again it's a different example because we have a whole number 51 and we need to add this whole number with the decimal points. 51 plus 14.02 plus 2.1. So first you need to change this whole number into a decimal number. So how you will do it? Yes, you will first write the decimal point and add zeros. So now it is a decimal number and there is no difference in this number if you will add a decimal or zeros. Again, I am saying there is no difference in the number if you add decimal or more zeros. Now it's a decimal number, so write the next decimal numbers under it. Now you need to add again like the same normal numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7, and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So answer would be 67.12. Okay, now you have learned about the addition of numbers. Now moving towards the subtraction of numbers. Again, subtraction is same as we have done addition of decimals. And it's always same as we subtract the normal numbers. Just again, the whole game is about the decimal points. Now subtraction is just the same as simple subtraction, but the position or the place of the decimal point should not be disturbed. If you will change the position of decimal point, then your answer will be wrong. So first, whenever you start any addition, any subtraction, first place the decimal points appropriately, accurately, so that your answer should be correct. Okay, now here the number is 8.97 minus 2.82. Again, first you need to line up the decimal points, then write the number 8.97, 2.82. Okay, now subtract as usual. Now what is at hundredths place? Yes, 7 minus 2, and it's 5. So write 5 under this number. Now at tens place we have 9 minus 8, and which is equal to 1. So write 1 over here. Again, this decimal point will come under the rest of the decimal points. Now at ones place we have 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So the answer will be 6.15. We have another example of subtraction. Here we have some numbers where we need to borrow. Okay, 31.40 minus 27.59. Okay, again you have first arranged the numbers according to the decimal points. Okay, now start subtracting numbers. How? Again, 0, 9 cannot be subtracted from 0, so you need to borrow 1 from tens place. Yes. Okay, now it's 3 and this is 10. Now 9 minus 10, 1. At tens place you have 3. Now 5 cannot be subtracted from 3, so you need to borrow 1 from ones place. Okay, now it's 13. So 5 minus 13 is equal to 8. Okay, now here it's 0. So again 7 cannot be subtracted from 0, so you need to borrow 1 from tens place. Okay, now it's 10. 7 minus 10 is equal to 3. Now 2 minus 2, 0, nothing. So the answer is 3.81. I have just subtracted this number like normal numbers. Okay, again we have another number, 3.8 minus 1.26. First write the line up the decimal points, then write the numbers 3.8, 1.26. Now I have already told you that you can add more zeros to make your sum easy, so that you can easily subtract the numbers. Okay, now we have added 0 after 8, so that to make it 2-digit number. Okay, now subtract it. Can you subtract 6 from 0? No. So you borrow 1 from tens place, so it's 10 now. 6 minus 10, 4. Now here we have 7. Yes, you can easily subtract 2 from 7. It's 5.